This is a quick start guide for the MEGApix AI Vandal Ball Turret Camera. Before you begin, please make sure you have the following items. First, replace the moisture absorber inside the camera. Open the camera's control panel using the included star wrench and remove the old moisture absorber. Take the new moisture absorber out of its packaging and place it inside the camera. Close the control panel tightly when you're done. Use the mounting template to mark and drill the necessary pilot holes in the wall or ceiling. Hold the camera against the mounting surface and use the included screws and drywall anchors to install the camera. If you are mounting the camera to a pole or corner, it may be helpful to use a compatible mounting bracket with the camera. If you're using a PoE switch or PoE injector, simply connect your Ethernet cable to the camera to power it and connect it to your server. If you are not using a PoE switch or PoE injector, connect your Ethernet cable to your network switch and use a compatible power adapter with the camera. A waterproof cap is provided to protect your Ethernet cable from water damage. First, wrap the white rubber ring around the Ethernet port. Next, fit each piece of the cap onto the end of the cable as shown here. Connect the Ethernet cable to the camera and tighten both ends of the cap. You can further prevent water leakage by sealing the waterproof cap with outdoor rated sealer. Next, adjust the pan and rotation angles of the camera. To change the pan angle, loosen the screw at the neck of the camera and change the angle as needed. To change the camera's rotation, loosen the screw at the base of the camera and adjust the rotation as needed. Tighten both screws when you're done. Remove the protective film from the lens cover. Softly wipe the lens cover with lens tissue or a microfiber cloth with ethanol to remove any dust or smudges from the installation process. In addition to physically mounting the camera, configuring the camera's IP address and applying an administrative password is necessary to complete the setup process. For easier setup, we recommend you using the DW IP Finder application software to manage your camera. The remainder of this QSG will teach you how to use it. To install DW IP Finder, go to our website digital-watchdog.com and search for DW IP Finder. Navigate to the DW IP Finder product page and scroll down to the Downloads section. DW IP Finder is available for Windows and Linux computers only. Click the Download button for the version that matches your computer's OS, and use the installation wizard to install the program. Open DW IP Finder and select the network card that's connected to the camera network. Click Scan Devices to allow the program to find your camera. Once your device has been detected, you'll need to set a custom password. If you are setting up multiple cameras, you can configure the login to them simultaneously. To do this, click the checkbox to select a camera, then click the Bulk Password Assign button. In the Current Account section, enter the current login credentials for the camera. The default login for new cameras is admin. For the new password fields, enter your desired password and re-enter it again in the confirmation box. If needed, you can create a password hint. Click the Change button to apply your changes. To configure settings within the camera itself, you can use a web browser and enter the camera's IP address to connect to the camera's web interface. Otherwise, you can access your camera settings using DWIP Finder. After discovering the camera, click on the button that appears in the Settings column, then click the Website button. Your default web browser will open and automatically begin to connect with the camera. Log in with your camera's credentials to access an expanded list of settings within the camera and to view live camera video using the Web Viewer feature. This completes the installation of your new security camera. Thank you for choosing Digital Watchdog as your security solution.